Theta value equivalent to 18.0395 rands a coin. The present cost range 17.7311 to 19.1281. The earlier day close 18.9397. The change was 0.9002, 4.75%. Backwards rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Friday. Walk 31 cost 20.30 rands, high 21.72, low 18.88. Theta conjecture on Monday. April 3 cost 20.20 rands, high 21.61, low 18.79. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4 cost 19.38 rands, high 20.74, low 18.02. Theta conjecture on Wednesday. April 5 cost 19.76 rands, high 21.14, low 18.38. And multi-week Theta cost expectation on Thursday. April 6 cost 19.51 rands, high 20.88, low 18.14. Theta conjecture on Friday. April 7 cost 18.43 rands, high 19.72, low 17.14. Theta cost expectation on Monday. April 10 cost 19.43 rands, high 20.79, low 18.07. Theta conjecture on Tuesday. April 11 cost 18.53 rands, high 19.83, low 17.23. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday. April 12 cost 19.25 rands, high 20.60, low 17.90. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Thursday. April 13 cost 18.22 rands, high 19.50, low 16.94. Theta cost forecast on Friday. April 14 cost 19.06 rands, high 20.39, low 17.73. Theta gauge on Monday. April 17 cost 18.13 rands, high 19.40, low 16.86. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday. April 18 cost 19.21 rands, high 20.55, low 17.87. Theta gauge on Wednesday. April 19 cost 19.09 rands, high 20.43, low 17.75. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Thursday. April 20 cost 18.02 rands, high 19.28, low 16.76. Theta gauge on Friday. April 21 cost 18.81 rands, high 20.13, low 17.49. Theta cost forecast on Monday. April 24 cost 20.05 rands, high 21.45, low 18.65. Theta gauge on Tuesday. April 25 cost 21.86 rands, high 23.39, low 20.33. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday. April 26 cost 21.47 rands, high 22.97, low 19.97. In about a month Theta estimate on Thursday. April 27 cost 22.57 rands, high 24.15, low 20.99. Theta cost forecast on Friday. April 28 cost 20.50 rands, high 21.94, low 19.07. Theta estimate on Monday. May 1 cost 19.40 rands, high 20.76, low 18.04. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for Walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 20.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.36, while low cost 15.79. The found the middle value of cost 19.77. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20.30. Change for spring 1.6%. Theta estimate for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 20.30 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.15, while low cost 16.76. The found the middle value of cost 20.43. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20.50. Change for April 1.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 20.50 rands. Excessive cost 25.28, while low cost 17.83. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.81. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 23.63, change for May 15.3%. Theta estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 23.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 29.33, while low cost 23.63. The found the middle value of cost 26.00. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 27.41, change for June 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 27.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 27.41, while low cost 21.41. The found the middle value of cost 24.81. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 23.02, change for July 16.0%. Theta gauge for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 23.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.02, while low cost 17.99. The found the middle value of cost 20.84. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.34, change for August 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 19.34 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.67, while low cost 19.34. The found the middle value of cost 20.64. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 21.19, change for September 9.6%. Theta gauge for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 21.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.32, while low cost 19.40. The found the middle value of cost 20.94. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20.86, change for October 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 20.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.86, while low cost 17.31. The found the middle value of cost 19.41. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18.61, change for November 10.8%. Theta estimate for December 2023. To start with, cost at 18.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.72, while low cost 18.61. The found the middle value of cost 20.29. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 21.23, change for December 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at 21.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.23, while low cost 18.39. The found the middle value of cost 20.16. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 19.77, change for January 6.9%. Theta estimate for February 2024. To start with, cost at 19.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.77, while low cost 15.45. The found the middle value of cost 17.90. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 16.61, change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at 16.61 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.61, while low cost 12.97. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.04. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.95, change for spring 16.0%. ZAR to Theta swapping scale equivalent to 0.0554 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0523 minus 0.0564. The earlier days